What's up, everyone? This is Evgen from the local Canadian company Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg. It's time to troubleshoot GE appliances. Today's video is about repairing and servicing a GE GTD40EBMKWW dryer in the Crestview area of Winnipeg. Today I will show you a simple solution to one of the most common problems with a GE dryer. It won't turn on. Don't worry, it won't take more than 2 minutes. Let's go. The dryer won't turn on at all. There could be several possible causes. No power at the input, poor contact or broken wires, mechanical damage or faulty main control board. I'll start a step-by-step diagnostic of all possible causes. I checked with a multimeter to see if the dryer was getting power. Everything is fine. When I tried to turn on the mode using the selector knob, I felt that the mode selector knob was spinning and not switching modes. Gotcha. After removing the handle, I found mechanical damage inside the handle. To check, I moved the handle for selecting the degree of drying and put it instead of the mode selection handle. Having selected the mode, I started the dryer. Success! The dryer is turned on and works. In this case, the entire repair comes down to replacing the mode selector handle. To replace it, just pull the handle towards you to remove it from the selector and install a new one by simply putting it on the selector and slightly pressing it until it falls into place. I conduct tests in all modes. The GE dryer is in working order and ready for future use. It's time to say goodbye. If you have questions about repairing a GE dryer or questions about any other appliances, shoot to us in the comments and the Appliance Fix Lab team will answer them. I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the servicing appliances in Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.